What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies1000s.com, and I want to give you guys a tutorial of this site, Swagbucks. A site that I've been signed up with, I'd say going on about 15 years now. It's still, one of the top sites. It's still paying. There's lots of different ways to make money with it. So we're going to go over that, and also I'm going to do a cash out in this video, show you some, really cool things about this site. Okay, so first, in the corner up here, you'll see here I have 847 swag bucks. That is equivalent to $18.47. Just basically doing a variety of different things, from surveys to offers to watching videos, clicking on ads, all that kind of different things. So, like I said, I'm going to give you a tutorial on how to do that. So, here, first one, right answer. This is where I start out with. They have a daily poll, which I do every day. The daily poll is worth 1 cent, not a lot, but I just, keep doing it just because it's easy. And then with the surveys, a lot of times this site will have, different bonuses that you can do. You'll see here on these surveys, regardless of the time amount, they all have bonuses. So right here, this survey right here is usually 200 swag bucks. They're offering plus 100. So instead of it just being $2, now it's $3. And of course, when it comes to surveys, I only do ones I feel like that are worth my time. So, you see here like one of like 11 minutes, $2.50, but add on an extra 125. That's basically 300, $3.75 that I'll be getting for a survey, which usually goes for 250. So, like to say that the bonuses on those, there's bonuses really out throughout this site. I'm going to show you here, review. You see here they have limited time only, earn triple swag bucks on all the offers in that. So that's really cool. Really get your money up. That's what really helped me out today. Just all these bonuses that they're offering from this site. I'll go ahead and show you the bonuses. After I get done, show you the tutorial on how I make money with this. But this is the survey section. Of course, you got the daily poll here. I actually already did the daily poll. Like I said, it's 1 cent. It'll pop up every day. You just go through. You can answer that right here, and it'll give you the results when you're done answering it. I'm going over here to shop. There's different ways you can do that. As far as like, you can buy travel, dining deals, buy gift cards, and it's usually kind of like cash back offers with that. The magic receipts. This is one where basically you take a picture of your receipt, you get 2 cents. Very simple. Doesn't matter, where the receipt came from. Doesn't matter how much you paid for it. 2 cents for every receipt that you take. The best way to do that actually is to download their app. Swagbucks also has an app that you can download for your mobile device, and it's very easy to do it on there as opposed to, taking pictures of a receipt and kind of uploading it to the site. So it just, it's very user friendly on the app. So if you're going to do that, I recommend downloading the app as well. Discover. This is where a lot of my money is made as well, as far as just really doing different offers. I'm going to kind of show you, different ways they have for this. So you see here they have featured offers, things you can do. These have a lot of swag bucks they're offering you. I know this might seem scammy or whatever, but they will give you these swag bucks. But the one thing you have to keep in mind is that if you're going to be making this amount of money, which is basically 80,000 swag bucks, there is a lot that's going to be involved in that. So just be mindful of that. But you can always kind of take a peek at what they have as far as featured offers. You can go here to view all, so you can see all of what they have. And things like this. You sign up for this upgrade gift card. Uh, you'll get 7,500 swag bucks. That's what, $75 for doing that. I mean, and that's really cool. But like I said, you got to really pay attention to what the description is telling you to do. Just kind of like I said, kind of play around with the site. Upside, downloading this. This is a gas app that I actually use on myself, and you actually get $15 for doing that if you do it through the site. So, I mean, $15 for something that's free. I mean, like I said, they have lots of different offers in here. These are the featured ones, which a lot of people are getting involved with. So they don't stay here for a long time. They'll be here for a few days, and then you can kind of, then they'll kind of add new ones, things like that. So kind of going back to all the offers, let me do that. So now when it comes to trusted partners, you'll have these different ones you can use. Pretty much all of the basic ones that you'll see throughout, different websites, Offer Turo, AdSend Media, Ed Studios, like all of these different ones. You can click view all, you can see all of those. Like I said, the receipts that you can do, like I said, every receipt that you take a picture of is automatically at least 2 cents. If you're buying some of the products that they have featured on here, you can actually earn even more. So if you're buying some of these Clorox products, you can get $2 for doing that. Just kind of look around and see what's there. Buying Coca-Cola, products right there. That's your $12 for doing that. So, for me, when I go grocery shopping, it's always important that I kind of look for things that I can get deals on, cash back on. That way, I'm not spending so much money in groceries because these days groceries they can really get expensive. So just kind of if I get cash back, yeah, I'm willing to take it. So that's when it comes to the receipt section on there. This explore web content and earn. This is a really good um, offer wall here because a lot of things here are easy. They don't pay a lot, but if you do them, consistently, like every day, just spending some little time here and there, they really do add up. A lot of these are just click and earn. So like this one, discover daily interest. You'll do 4 cents. That's basically every day 4 cents for doing that. Right here, click and earn every day. One Swagbucks. Like I said, they have a few of those on here that you can do. And yeah, they basically, have lots of them. I mean, you can kind of just keep going until you get to the end. 25 cents, kind of taking the quiz. The quiz is like 10 questions, so you can kind of play around with it. But you see, there's a lot of click and earn on here. Like I said, each one of them, they pay 1 cent, but it will add up. I'm telling you, these are coming here every day, saying click and earn every day. Even the ones that don't say every day, they do still have ones, they put them up there every day. So it's the same thing, just earning 1 cent. I'm telling you, there's like 100 of these on here at least. So, you can really go crazy with just those in addition to the, other ones they have on here where like this one, let me see where I found it at with these a lot of the 1 cent ones, but they were basically back up top with the taking the quiz ones, sign up to win, for sweepstakes, things like that. Right here, sign up for a chance, 100 Swagbucks. I mean, there's a lots of different, ways you can earn and, just piling up your money with this. And the thing is, whatever you're doing on the site, they have bonuses for that. Right here, you see up at the top, earn 30 Swagbucks and get 3 Swagbucks. So once you earn 30 cents on the site, they give you 3 more cents. So it's just that simple when it comes to that. And that's pretty much what I do on here. Like I said, I'm kind of go to this bonus. I'm going to show you something real quick. That just today alone, I've already earned $11.87 in swag bucks. I have $18.47 in my account. So this is legit. This is real. I'm going to cash out in the video. You see, I got my first bonus and I got my second bonus. They do that every day. If you earn your bonus every day, your current streak, you get 25 swag bucks on top of that. So I just got it last month. So basically, this month I've already earned 5 swag bucks in bonuses. But the thing is, I just got my 7-day bonus yesterday. So now I'm starting a new one. I'm already on top of it. Right here, they have another to-do list. If you do 6 of these, you can get 2 swag bucks. If you do 8 of these, you get 7 swag bucks. So if you'll really, notice that there's a consistent theme, throughout this entire site as far as just, bonuses all over the place. So, really you'll be surprised at how much money you can make just off the bonus. You know what I'm saying? When I do surveys and offers, I'm just paying attention to how much they're paying me. But if they're going to give me a bonus just for doing something I was already going to do, I mean, your money can really flourish on this. All right. So if that wasn't good enough, I'm gonna show you the rewards section, and they have lots of different gift cards, lots of different ways you can cash out on here. So there's something here for everybody. And one thing that I love about this is they have gift cards that are actually on sale. Just show you right here real quick. This is one of the main ways that I cash out because it's like you're kind of just making more money on top of that. So right here, I can get a $25 virtual prepaid MasterCard, $25. I only got to give them $21.75 for doing that. So it's a 13% off. These are usually on sale all the time, the gift cards. For those of you people who like to cash out in PayPal and Amazon, yes, they do have those, but they're not ever on sale. They have, like I said, the Amazon gift card or hit a $25 one, that's on sale. But the lower ones, like the $5 or $10, they're usually never on sale. Like I said, they also have PayPal on here, but I just want to show you more of the on sale rewards. I feel like, this is for me personally, the best way to cash out just because I'm saving money and, just getting different gift cards. So even here, the $5 gift card here, you only got given $4.90. So you'll save, 2% off. $50, they have the American Express card. They have some different gift cards for stores that you can look at as well. You know what I'm saying? So there's lots of different things on here. Southwest, I usually fly Southwest a lot, so I definitely get gift cards there. Kind of going back to show you some of the more popular awards like the Amazon and PayPal. If that's kind of what you want to do, they also have that. Like I said, and the most popular rewards, because those are pretty much across the board. Everybody wants to use those. A minimum of $5 to cash out. So that's all you gotta have to get that. Like I said, there's no discount for the PayPal, but there is for the Amazon, but you have to have $25. And just some other things in here. The Walmart gift card that's also on sale. So I mean, there's something in here for everybody. Like I said, I'm going to actually use the virtual Visa gift card. So like I said, I have $18.47. I'm probably just going to do $15 in that. So let me see if I can find one real quick. And as far as when you get it, it takes them maybe like 2 days for them to actually send it to your email. So this one right here, I'm going to save 2% by getting this. Actually, I could, just get, 5 of these or whatever, but it's really just, $15. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to kind of give me some, stuff, where I can basically use the card, stuff like that. So it says it will take up to 10 days to deliver. I will tell you this right now. It has never taken that long. Like I said, it's mostly just 2 days at the most, so it doesn't take that long at all to get it. So what you would do here is you will actually, let me see, I need to go back up, claim this gift card right here. Just click on that. And just like that, verify your gift card. So now I just gotta wait for it to come to my email. Of course, you'll have your email in there, in the website and all that kind of stuff. So, just make sure you have that on file with them so they know where to send it to. So that's basically how that works. Like I said, I've been using this site for a very long time. It's paid on time every time. There's lots of different ways you can make money on here. Uh, you know, they have lots of bonuses, surveys, offers. There's, just so many different ways to make money with it as far as the bonuses go. You can cash out, you can get some on sale rewards. If you want the PayPal and Amazon, they have that as well. So that's just how you that's how you basically work this site. I will leave the link to it in the description. Feel free to sign up. It is completely free, so there's no money asked of you. And just have fun making money with it. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. But sign up today. Like I said, the link is in the description. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.